Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you one more product of Monster One, and this is actually a WordPress theme. The name is Bikot or Bikot, and it is a responsive WordPress theme. The demo we are going to import, it will be this one, but before that we just need to read the description what they are offering. So they are saying that it is a modern, clean, flexible and powerful multi-purpose WordPress theme, and yeah, you can see more information here, and it has got 18 categories, 100 plus unique demos, very good, 90 plus customer widgets and 800 plus styles. This is a very nice and full of features theme, which is also supported by Elementor page builder. Plugin capabilities, they are saying what are the plugins list, and one-click demo import, responsive, bootstrap framework, and some other information. So I'm just going to jump onto the demo. So we will just click on it because I've just opened, and here it is showing that it has got, for example, no coding required, RTL compatible, awesome Elementor page builder, or fully responsive. Now it has got also 18 plus demos. I'm going to click and you see this is 18 plus demos. So the categories are here, beautifully created. So we are going to create the one I told you, the digital product designer. This theme also I have already opened on another tab. So once you click here on live demo, it will show up this thing, and then here you can go on the top of this website page. This is the layout of the menu, color combinations, you can see blue and red, beautiful slide or landing page, what you can say, which is showing service or services. Here are the features, the icons, you can see beautifully nice looking icons, very attractive pictures, and the business information, the team members, services, and their latest greatest projects, FAQs, and the blog. After blog you will see the footer, which is showing their information, address, partnership and gallery. So I have uploaded this theme. Now I'm going to activate this theme, and we are going to bring that demo, the one I showed you here. This demo we are going to import on our website. So let's get started. Once you have activated the theme, plugin installing process we are going to start. Select all and install. Apply. Now the plugin installation is started. After installation, now we are going to activate them. bulk, pop down selection, activate, apply. So all plugins are activated successfully. Once you see this information, then we will go back to appearance, click on it, and then we are ready to go and import our demo. So first thing first, you need to set up Elementor. You just create an account or just log in, but I'm just going to skip by clicking this cross button. Now we are again back on appearance. Hover on appearance, you will see the right hand side import demo data. Click on it. It is showing import demo data. We are clicking on it. Associated plugins, those are very good going with this theme. Click and we are going to import them all. So the content are importing and we need to wait until this process completes. So I'll be back as soon as they are completed. Now as you can see, the import is completed and our website should be the demo website look like this one. Our website is like this. Now we are going to refresh and see how is our website look like. Click refresh and now it is loading. So our website is not look like that because we have got imported the real estate one, and the real estate one was, I think, this one. So my mistake. This is the one. So I can show you the demo. So the real estate one, I think this is the one. Yes. So this is the one we have imported, and it's a still beautiful website. So this is the way you can create your own website and import the theme demo. If you have any other demo in your mind, please tell me. I will make another video and I will explain you how you can import the demo within a minute. And if there is any other queries, no need to hesitate, just go to the comment section and leave your comment. Tell me what you want. I will try my best to help you. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Have a great day. Bye.